Hello and welcome to this session on Postman beginner tutorial, and today we are going to learn about the Postman UI or the user interface, and we will see what are the different sections on the Postman user interface, and we will learn about these sections in a very basic step-by-step manner. So let's get started and let us start our Postman. So in the earlier session we have already learned how to download and install Postman. So I'm going to start the Postman on my system, and you can also follow these sessions if you are on Mac or Windows. So now we have our Postman started, and the very first thing you will see is this dialog box where you have all these shortcuts to create request, collections, API documentation, mock server, environments, monitor, etc. And then you have some templates and API network. We will learn more about these in the coming session. So let me just close this and go directly to the UI of Postman. And here there are three sections on the Postman UI. The very first section, which is this upper header, you see this is called the header section, where you have this menu, and then you have these buttons for creating a new element, and then we have for import runner and then creating a new tab window or a runner window, and then we have options to select or create or manage workspaces. We have all these buttons here for capturing request, settings, going to the profile, and different options here. We will learn about all these in the coming sessions. And if you go to the menu bar, we have file, we have edit, we have view, and then help. In the help section we have links for documentation, GitHub page, Twitter, and support channel, so you can check for these links from here directly. And then here we have a sidebar, and in the sidebar we have history and collections. So all the collections that we will create in the coming sessions will be displayed here, and the history of all our requests will be available in the history section. And you can drag the sidebar to increase or decrease the width. Also you can go to view and you have the option to toggle sidebar. So in case you are working on some small screens, you can hide the sidebar by going to view and say toggle sidebar. If you click on it again, the sidebar will be visible. And this is the main window, which is called the builder window, where we will have our actual request and responses. So all our API requests will be created here, and we will get the response at the bottom. Now in case you want to see the request and response side by side, again you can go to view, and here you will see toggle to pin view. If you click here, you will see the response window has come here and the request window is here. So we have request and response side by side. And otherwise, if you toggle it again, we will have the request window above and the response will come down. So this is all about the major features of the UI. In the next session we will start creating our API request. If you like this session, please hit the like button and share with others, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will meet you in the next episode of Postman. Thank you for watching.